Welcome back to the fast track. Today we are going to learn the new automation from Notepad. So suppose I am open the Notepad. So every time whatever we are writing something, whatever we are writing, then after that we are saving this one, right? So every time we have to save, give the file name, suppose Notepad. Okay, then save. Then we are going to close this application. So instead of this, we are doing this in using the Blueprism automation. So we are just automate this thing, and every time whenever we are saving the file name, it will save with a different name. I will tell you how we can do this. So suppose go to the studio, then go to the object studio. Okay, I am in object studio and just create one object. I am already created notepad 00109. Okay, so whenever we want to start or open any application, so first we have to go to the application modeler, then it is windows application, then executable file, then basic, mostly it is in C windows, our notepad application. Okay, open, then go to the bottom, and here our notepad application. Okay, then just click next and finish. Okay, so once notepad is showing, just try to launch, so that whether you can check whether it is working or not. Yes, it is working. Then I am telling the whole step in single stage. uh, okay, so first step we are going to launch. So here I am just, first I will close this notepad 001. Okay, then launch. So it will launch. Let me check whether it is working or not. Just refresh and go. Yes, we are successfully launching this application. Now the next step is, wait. Now the next step we want to write, but instead of using the write uh, object studio, we are using this navigate stage. We are using the global send keys. So whatever it will do, it will write here from the start, whatever we wanted to write. Let me check how it is working. So just drag this one in the element section, then here we have the global send keys. Okay, then here whatever you want to write, suppose we are writing the robotic process automation. Okay, so it will write there. Okay, let me check this one whether it is working or not. First it will launch. Just I am changing this name, launch. Okay, just refresh. First it will launch and then it will write. Yes, successfully we are writing. Okay, after writing, what we have to do, we have to save the path. Save. So we are using the same navigate stage. Here I am changing the name, write. Okay, then save. To save we are using the control S, right? But here is this, there is shortcut key, I will tell you. Then global send keys, and here just go to use this. It is a shortcut key for control S. Okay, let me check again whether it is working or not. Refresh. I will close this one. Don't save. Okay, go. So it will launch, right, then control S. Yes, now we have to give the path here, right? So I will tell you that. Okay, so delete this and use again one navigate stage to give the path. Okay, so use this one, global send keys, and here we have to give the path, right? So okay, I will open this one. Okay, so I am using this one. So whatever you want to give the name of that, you can give. Suppose I am giving the fast track notepad, and after that we have to using the concatenation and format date time we have to use. Why you are using this? Because we want to save the same file name again and again, so every time it will replace the original file. Instead of this, we are using this format date and time, so that it will save the time, save the file name with different date with time, so that it will save the other file name also. And at the end we have to give the extension which is .txt. So you can get it from here. Okay, date. In the date we have the format date time. Okay, so we can use this. Okay, let me tell you this one. Okay, then after we have to validate. Yes, expression is valid. Okay, so we are giving this, and we are providing, I am just changing the name path. Okay, so after path what we have to do, last step is we have to click on enter, right? So that we can close that after enter. So let me drag again, then global send keys. Here we have to write enter, caps lock on. Okay, after enter what we have to do, let I'm changing the name. After enter we have to close the application. So here we are closing the, terminating the application, terminate. Okay, so first again we are going to drag and drop, and here is the option terminate. Nothing to write and something, using pointer. We are ready to go. Just a second, let's refresh this and let's start. Just launching, writing, saving the name, click and terminate. We are successfully completed this task. So yes, fast track notepad. So here we are getting the date and time also, so that if we are again process this, so it will change, it will save the same name but with a different timing. Okay, yes, so we can check here. Here it is. So we have the same path name but both are different because we are using the concatenation using format date and time. Okay, so this will complete this task using the automation Blueprism of Notepad. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you are subscribe it, and thank you again.